Today, I am reviewing the GEEKOM IT13 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have been looking for a way to clear off your desk without sacrificing the processing power you need for a serious workload, you have probably stumbled across the GEEKOM IT13. I spent the last 3 weeks using this as my primary machine for everything from heavy spreadsheet management and video editing to late-night gaming sessions, and I have some very specific thoughts on whether this is actually the desktop replacement you want, or just another piece of tech that looks better on paper than it does in practice. You can check the links below the video to explore the product or find its current price while I walk you through exactly what it is like to live with this thing day in and day out. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build quality. We are so used to mini PCs feeling like cheap plastic toys that rattle when you pick them up, but the IT13 is surprisingly dense. GEEKOM claims it has a reinforced frame that can handle a significant amount of static pressure, and while I did not go around testing it with heavy weights, it does feel incredibly rigid. It sits on the desk with a weight and balance that suggests it is not going to tip over if you accidentally bump it, and the rubberized feet provide enough grip that it stays put even when you are plugging in stiff cables. Let's talk about the performance, because that is the main reason you're looking at an Intel i5-13600H processor. This is a 12-core, 16-thread chip, and in real-world usage, it is snappy. I threw a dozen Chrome tabs, a massive Excel file, and a background video render at it simultaneously, and the system did not stutter. If you are a student, an office professional, or someone who manages digital signage or retail displays, this is more than enough power. You are not going to feel like you are waiting for the computer to catch up with your thoughts. However, I want to be clear about the gaming aspect. GEEKOM mentions it can run games like League of Legends and Fortnite, and they're absolutely right, but you need to manage your expectations. This is not a dedicated gaming rig. If you try to push the settings to high or ultra, you're going to see frame drops very quickly. If you keep things at medium or low, it is perfectly playable, but this is a productivity machine first and a casual gaming machine second. The memory and storage situation is one of the strongest selling points here. You get 16 gigabytes of RAM out of the box, which is the sweet spot for most users today. But what I really appreciate is the upgrade path. If you realize 6 months from now that you need more, you can actually pop this thing open and take it all the way up to 96 gigabytes. That is a massive amount of overhead for a computer of this size. The 1TB NVMe SSD is fast enough that I never felt like I was waiting on file transfers, and the fact that you can add an extra M.2 drive, or even a standard 2.5-inch SATA drive, is a huge win for anyone who hoards photos or video files. It is rare to find this much internal expandability in a chassis this small, and it honestly makes the IT13 feel like a long-term investment rather than a disposable gadget. Connectivity is another area where this machine shines, especially if you're the type of person who uses multiple monitors. Having 2 USB 4 ports is a game changer. I connected an 8K display and a secondary 4K monitor, and the output was crisp and rock solid. The inclusion of an SD card slot is a detail that many other manufacturers have started leaving out, and as someone who pulls footage from cameras regularly, having that built in is a massive convenience that saves me from carrying around a dongle. You can check the links below the video to see the current pricing and verify if the latest model is in stock for your region, because the value proposition here really depends on the price fluctuations you see on Amazon. Now, let's talk about the fan noise and heat, because this is where most people get disappointed with mini PCs. Because the IT13 is so compact, the cooling system has to work harder than it would in a full-size tower. When you're just browsing the web or typing up documents, the fan is whisper quiet. It is barely audible, even in a silent room. However, when you start pushing that 13th gen chip during a render or a long gaming session, you're going to hear the fan spin up. It is not an annoying, high-pitched whine, but it is definitely noticeable. It is the sound of air being pushed through a very small space. If you are sensitive to noise, you might want to keep it tucked away behind a monitor or under a shelf, but it never reached a level that I found distracting or intrusive. One thing I really appreciate is the 3-year warranty. Most of the competition in the mini PC space gives you a single year, and that usually makes me nervous about the longevity of the internal components. By offering a 3-year commitment, GEEKOM is signaling that they are confident in their build quality. I think this makes the IT13 an excellent choice for a small business owner who needs a reliable machine for a point-of-sale system or a digital signage player where the computer is expected to run 24/7 without intervention. It feels like a machine that is built to last, which justifies the price tag a bit more when you compare it to cheaper, less durable options. Wireless performance is another area where I found the IT13 to be very consistent. It features Wi-Fi 6E, and in my house, where I have a lot of interference from other devices, the connection remains stable and fast. I was able to stream 4K video over the air without any buffering, which is not something I can say for every mini PC I have tested. If you cannot run an Ethernet cable to your desk, the 2.5 gigabit port is there if you decide to upgrade your home network later, but the wireless chip in this unit is definitely strong enough to handle daily tasks without needing a hardwired connection. Is there anything to be disappointed about? Well, if you're looking for a machine that you can easily swap out the graphics card on, this is not it. You can connect an eGPU through the USB 4 ports, which is a great feature for power users, but that adds significant cost and takes up more desk space, which defeats the purpose of a mini PC for most people. Also, the external power brick is fairly large. It is not as big as a laptop charger, but it is something you have to account for when you are doing your cable management. It would have been nice to see a smaller power delivery solution, but given the wattage required to keep that i5 processor running at peak performance, it is a necessary trade-off. I also want to mention the software experience. It comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, and it is a clean install. I did not find any of that annoying bloatware or weird third-party trial software that usually clutters up pre-built computers. It was ready to go in about 5 minutes, and the drivers were all up to date. For a home office setup, this is exactly what you want. You turn it on, sign into your Microsoft account, and you are working. If you're the type of user who does heavy 3D modeling, high-end 4K video editing with complex effects, or competitive gaming, this is likely not the machine for you. You would be better off with a dedicated workstation or a full-size desktop with a discrete GPU. But for everyone else, and I mean the vast majority of people, the GEEKOM IT13 is a fantastic piece of engineering. It manages to balance power, expandability, and a premium feel in a package that takes up almost no space on your desk. The ability to upgrade the RAM and storage means it will stay relevant for years, and the multiple display support makes it a dream for anyone who likes to keep several windows open at once. If you are on the fence, I would suggest thinking about what you actually do with your computer for 90% of your day. If it is web browsing, office applications, media consumption, and light creative work, you're going to be very happy with this. It is a mature, well-thought-out product that avoids the common pitfalls of the cheap mini PC category. Remember that you can check the links below the video to explore the product or find its current price, and you can also see if there are any current promotions that make it an even better value. To wrap things up, the GEEKOM IT13 is a solid, reliable, and surprisingly powerful daily driver. It is not the cheapest option on the market, but you are paying for that 3-year warranty, the sturdy metal reinforced frame, and the genuine Intel performance. It is a balanced machine that does exactly what it promises to do, and in a world of overhyped tech, that is actually quite refreshing. If you want to reclaim your desk space without sacrificing your workflow, this is a very strong contender that I think will serve most users very well for a long time to come. Just make sure you are buying it for the right reasons, and you will not be disappointed.